So you're about to learn how to make $100 per day online as a local affiliate marketer. All right, so this is a $1 trillion industry and you can do this without having to know anything about the topic. And even better, you don't actually have to sell a product. You get paid just for getting people to submit their contact information. All right, guys, so before we begin, my name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate, and if you're trying to build a lazy passive income online business from the comfort of your own home, this is the channel for you. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification button right now. All right, guys, so today we're talking about the home improvement niche. This is a $1 trillion industry, and I'm gonna show you how to tap into markets like roof repair, electrical, plumbing. Did I say that? I said that already. Patio, sidewalk repair, driveways. Each one of these topics in and of itself is a huge business, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to profit from it online as an affiliate. Let's get to it. Here we go. All right, Debbie, so this video builds off the last two videos I posted, and I have a ton of golden nuggets for you here today. So today we're talking about working with one of the top home improvement affiliate programs in the world. So HomeAdvisor, if you don't know what it is essentially a service that connects people who are looking for a service with contractors, and they get paid in between. So your job as an affiliate is essentially just to get people over to HomeAdvisor, and they do all the heavy lifting for you. So just to clarify here, I'm not getting paid to promote HomeAdvisor at all. They're literally just getting like a free plug here. I'm sure this is gonna make them a bunch of money, but my job here is to make you guys money. So sign up for this here, and this you can either do it on Commission Junction or Pepper Jam. They have two affiliate programs. I'm personally more a fan of Commission Junction. That's just because I'm more familiar with. So once you go there, you apply and you'll be taken to the HomeAdvisor affiliate program. And let me just break down what type of money you can make here. So here I am logged into my Commission Junction account, and we just scroll down here. And there are different tiers of payouts. Basically, the more expensive of a home repair job or home remodeling job it is, the more you get paid. So the top tier jobs like windows are like $20,000 to get new windows. Remodeling, a nice little like kitchen remodel, bathroom remodel. These are the higher tier jobs. You get paid $10 per lead. All right, so you actually don't have to make sales. You just get them over to HomeAdvisor's website. All you need to do is get people to supply the information, and you get paid. All right, so that's one tier. So just to do some quick math, obviously 10 leads at $10 each is an easy $100 a day. Keep in mind, this is a $1 trillion market. The U.S. home market is over $1 trillion. So there's a massive audience, and they have the money to spend. All right, so Group A, that's $10. The more common jobs like painting, roofing, plumbing, and all that, that's more within the $8.50 to $5 range. If you average it out, that's about 20 submissions per day. When it comes to just opting in, that's really not that much, especially when you're working with YouTube and you have a good blog in place. That's something easily done. All right, so from here, what I want to do is walk you through what it looks like, how the landing page looks like, just to give you a better idea how this works. So I'm going to go through, just grab a specific affiliate link when this loads up here any minute now. And we're just go through a section. They have all kinds of different things like walls and ceilings, fences, glass and mirrors, landscaping design. Now, if you think about it, each one of these categories has probably tens of thousands of businesses built around it already. Like fence building companies, that's an actual thing. Window repair companies or window remodeling companies, there are businesses that just focus on that keyword. You got decks, fences, ramps, siding, basement, like basement flooding. The ideas are endless here. There's so much potential. All right, so let's just go through here, just grab a couple. Let's just go with roofing and siding because I know these are high gig jobs here. So we're gonna just check out one of the landing pages. Basically what happens is someone clicks the link, your affiliate link, it'll take them to a page that looks like this. All the viewer has to do is hit next, fill out this quick form. It's like 10 fields or so. Submit their address and their email, and that's when you get paid. So you don't have to make a sale. It doesn't matter. Here's how you're going to want to approach this. First things first, you might think, maybe I'll go after the biggest cities. It would make sense to think like if I go after Dallas, Texas, there'll be a lot more search results. And that's true, but you'll typically face a lot more competition. And not to say that that's not a good thing to do. I just think this is a little bit more out of the box thinking. All right, so type into Google, fastest growing cities in the US. We specifically want to target people in the US because HomeAdvisor is only in the US. And from here, we have a list of the fastest growing ones. And there's probably 20 to 50 different cities. So let's just pick a couple of different ones here. Let's just go with Odessa, Texas. All right, so this is a little bit, what do they call it? Tertiary, I guess, a tertiary market here. So Odessa, Texas, that's the keyword we're going to target here. Now we flip over to the Google AdWords keyword tool, And what you're going to want to do is actually change the target location. It should say US if you're in the US. Delete that and then just type in the city that you're trying to target. So it would be Odessa, Texas, or if you're going to go after, for example, Bismarck, North Dakota, you'd filter that way. But let's stick with Odessa, Texas. We've got about 1 million people there. Probably can add this one here. So add this, and we're going to add this. So we got both Odessa, Texas search terms here. All right, so there we go. Let's save that. And now you're going to type in keywords. So the keywords, we're going after roofing. So this is a roofing contractor gig. We're going to work in things like these keywords, go after these keywords like Odessa roofing. Bam, highly targeted, obviously. Also, you could do things like work in flat roof. So you could try to target a smaller keyword like Odessa flat roofing or roofing companies. These are people specifically in Odessa typing this in. Odessa roof repair, roofing, Odessa, Texas. That's a big keyword right there. So let's take a look at that keyword. All right, we got a bunch of them. There's a lot of small ones. These smaller ones are a lot easier to rank for. All right, so we got that. Now let's flip over to here, type that in, bam, roofing, Odessa, Texas. All right, so first things first, let's just go through a couple results here. We have a lot of mom and pop shops on the top here. See a ton of them like Texas Roof Systems, Tall City Roofing. Let's see, we got Fat Mat Roofing. That's hilarious. I love that. Fat Mat Roofing. We have Better Business Bureau. I also have HomeAdvisor. I try not to worry about those. Like for example, as an Amazon affiliate, I made plenty of money, even though Amazon was like the first 3 results there. Look at Roofs by Nicholas. So these are all mom and pop shops. Another thing that I don't see are YouTube videos, but I see all kinds of weird pages. Let's see if there's any Facebook pages. This is all mom and pop stuff. Probably a dude, more likely. All right, so more mom and pop blogs. We got MapQuest, Glassdoor. We got some YouTube videos on the back page here. So what I see here is that this should be relatively, just from a quick eyeball here, this is probably about medium competition is what I would say. So the best way to approach this would be able to make YouTube videos longer than 1 minute. I think that's just a little bit too short from my experience. I do 2 to 3 minutes at the minimum. So obviously you're going to add the keywords to your videos. And also the one thing that I noticed is there are a lot of blogs that are ranking. So obviously you're going to want to create your own blog. And the best way to approach this from my experience here is you got your YouTube video. I teach that in Tube Tycoon. You got your YouTube videos plus your blog. What I would do is I would not go right to the affiliate offer. It is tempting to do that, like from your YouTube video to go to your affiliate offer. That gets you on the radar with Google. And YouTube. I try to avoid doing that. What I would instead do is I would have my Odessa, Texas roofing video, and I would say, all right, so if you want to get a quote, go to my site here, and I would send to the landing page I'd make for that keyword, and just give a brief overview of the services that can be provided in that space as the landing page, and then from there link to the affiliate offer. It is one step in the way, but if you want to stay safe, that's the best route to go about it. And in addition, the benefit is that once your blog post gets related traffic and links from the YouTube video, this is really going to help you start rank that blog post. So you're going to get two sources of traffic here and get a double whammy effect. I teach blogging in my Deadbeat Subaru affiliate system, and I teach YouTube in my Tube Tycoon program. All right, now in addition to that, what I would also do is I'd go through these keywords and make videos and content all about this particular topic. So you have the Odessa roof repair. What you could also consider doing is instead of having one blog targeted to Odessa roof repair, you could make something like OdessaContracting.com and have different sections of it for the major avenues where you can make money. So you'd have your Odessa construction plus home repair site, and that would have different sections like plumbing. It would have roofing. It would have maid services. All this would be listed under here, so you'd have a lot of content highly targeted to that specific state. And of course, you'd have YouTube videos supporting each one of these markets here. All right, so with that said, guys, that's the best way to go about it. And you can see how quickly it will be you can get to $100 a day. It's just 10 leads a day. It's very easy to do, especially when you utilize YouTube and blogging. And when you start scaling this out to different cities, you should be able to template this and build it out quick. All right, so with that said, if you want to learn the technical know-how of how to do all this, in a couple days, I'm releasing a summer sale for my Tube Tycoon training, which shows you how to build a YouTube business, and my Deadbeat Subaru affiliate system, which shows you how to build an affiliate blog targeting the right keywords. So those programs show you everything you need to know, nothing left out. And the sale for that is in 2 days, starting July 30th to August 2nd. It's a 4-day sale, and after that, the up to 50% off coupon will expire. All right, guys, so that's it. Keep an eye out for the coupon. I will be releasing that in the next couple days. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification button so you're notified of all the videos that I release. Share this video with your friends and comment below if you have any questions for me. I'm happy to help. My name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate, and I'll see you deadbeats later.